Okay, so today I am making vegan chicken sliders. The things that you're gonna need are the chicken scalps by Gardein, and we're gonna cut it in half because sliders are small. Let me pause this video. And I have my regular flour here, and then I have my wet right here. So this is actually flour, hot sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of Goya in there, and poultry seasoning right here. And all of those things are also in here, plus maybe a little bit of Himalayan salt. So we got those ready. We got the oil going, and then the chicken I just cut in half. I already used the bag. This is another bag that I bought because it was on sale, 2 for $8. And we're gonna be putting them on these Hawaiian sliders. This is my little hand rag right here. But so you want to put your first piece of chicken in there, another piece in there, and we're flipping these up like that, right there. Put it in, coat it, flip it up to help some of the other product to run down. Right, let me shake that one off. Oh, shake that one off. All this extra, I'm just gonna have to use my hand right now. It's fine. I'm gonna plop that in that flour right there. Get the second one. I don't have my skinny tongs, and I don't want to get those coated in hella of the batter. And we're gonna shake this up and get it coated in flour. Oop. Coating these bitches, and we about to fry these hoes up just like that. I'm making a mess, so I'm trying to do this with one hand. I don't want to ask BJ to come over here and record me right now. I'm gonna try to put this first piece in there and see how it go in the grease. Let's see what this is talking about right here. So you hold it in there first, get some of that crispy already, and then release. Do the same thing to this piece. Hold it, and release. I'm gonna get the rest of these in there going. Okay, and so for this part, my voiceover comes in. Sorry guys, the audio was extremely bad, and I don't have a tripod, so everything is a little bit cut off because my tripod just broke the other day while filming. Well, here I'm just making sure that the chicken is golden before I flip it over. It's been going for about 5 minutes on one side first, and then I'm going to proceed to check down on each piece by pressing it with the tongs to make sure it's getting a little bit firm, and then I'm going to flip it over to cook for another 5 minutes. I like to go ahead and clean up my whole mess and clean off this excess flour that I have everywhere. But as you can see, the chicken is going. It's looking really good. It's smelling really good in the house. How does the chicken smell, baby? So yeah, we're about to start getting our assembly line together. 5 minutes on each side. We're taking this out and placing it on the paper towel. And I like to check for firmness, so I will go in and kind of poke at the chicken to see if it's as firm as I'd like, and then I'll remove it. And as you can see, we have Okay, let's be very clear. I'm aware that this is not healthy vegan food. I do apologize. But we're going to go in with the Hawaiian sliders. They don't have any animal products in them, as well as the Follow Your Heart American sliced cheese. And we're going to butter the buns with the Earth Balance butter. We still have some chicken going and some chicken setting off to the side. And the chicken with cheese out of the oven. We're about to assemble the burgers now. We got pickles, chicken, is lettuce and vegan mayo. You see that butter on that bun. These are the vegan chicken sliders for me and my bubs with rosemary fries. It looks so good. Guys, now it's time for the moment of truth. My bubby is about to try her chicken slider.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. That was crispy. How is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Fine.
Is the chicken still crispy?
Hell yeah.
Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna sit down and eat dinner and watch some TV.
See ya.